gentlemen, welcome to Honolulu, where the local time here is 2:55. Local time is 2:55. We're going to be taxiing for a few minutes, the captain. Once you're seated until he parks us safely at the gate, at that time he'll be turning up the seatbelts on, set up your station to get up, move about the cabin, and retrieve your personal belongings. Be careful when opening the overhead bins, as items may have shifted during the flight. If you check any strollers, they can, or car seats, you can pick them up at the curb at the sign where it says stroller pickup by the Wiki Wiki bus. And you can also take that Wiki Wiki bus into the baggage claim area, or they will drop you at the Inner Island terminal if you are making a connection to other islands. For those of you who were given infant life vests, if you'd be kind enough to leave them on your seat, attendants will be claiming them after you deplane. And now it's with a pleasure that United has always been blessed to have our servicemen and women travel with us and their families. We do have many of them with us on our flight today. Let's give them a big round of applause for everything they do for us. Thank you and welcome to Honolulu.